Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the transfer limits for Poppy Bank savings accounts. Now, I know you might be thinking, why would I care about this? Well, let's face it, we all want to be able to move our money around as we need it. And knowing the transfer limits for your bank account is a key part of that. So, let's get started. What are transfer limits? Transfer limits are the maximum amount of money you can transfer to or from your bank account in a given period of time. These limits can vary depending on the type of account you have, the bank you're with, and even the type of transfer you're making. What are the transfer limits for Poppy Bank savings accounts? The transfer limits for Poppy Bank savings accounts are as follows. Daily transfer limit, $10,000. Monthly transfer limit, $30,000. These limits apply to all transfers, including transfers to and from other Poppy Bank accounts, as well as transfers to and from accounts at other banks. How can I find out more about Poppy Bank's transfer limits? If you have any questions about Poppy Bank's transfer limits, you can contact their customer service team. You can also find more information on their website. What are some of the things to keep in mind when transferring money to or from your Poppy Bank savings account? Here are a few things to keep in mind when transferring money to or from your Poppy Bank savings account. Make sure you know the transfer limits for your account. Make sure you have enough money in your account to cover the transfer. Make sure you have the correct account information for the recipient. Allow enough time for the transfer to process. What are some of the benefits of having a Poppy Bank savings account? In addition to having competitive transfer limits, Poppy Bank savings accounts offer a number of other benefits, including high interest rates, no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, free online and mobile banking, 24/7 customer service. So, what's the bottom line? Poppy Bank savings accounts have competitive transfer limits and a number of other benefits that make them a great choice for your savings needs. If you're looking for a bank that offers a wide range of features and competitive rates, Poppy Bank is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.